Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which has got rather a lot of wet paint on it. I just tried a technique and it didn't work out, but when I don't want to waste the paint, so I thought I might just try to achieve what I want through another technique, which I actually like doing, and it's a swipe and then a tilt. So I'm just thinking, which way should it go? It'll be right. I'll sort it out. This is a sort of a greeny colour that I just made up, and some silver. You'll find the names of the paints that I'm using and their recipes underneath Show More, just below the video, and put some silver up here, why not? There's no silicone in any of these colours, and it's going to be a bit of a surprise what we get. Some pink. I don't know if I really want a lot of brown, but we'll just stick some around here, eh? You never know your luck. Might be alright. And blue. Throwing it out here. Get on there. Right, and some pale blue. And I think I might swipe this with white. If I go that way, then I can tilt that way. No, across here and down. Okay, here we go. Where's the white? Over here. Alright. More. And the trusty cloth, which is already dampened. Excellent. Onto the edges. I do have Floetrol in the paint, so that's probably why I'm getting cell action, which is rather nice actually. So I'll just take it a bit this way. Little bit this way. And then I can start. Okay, very pretty. here. So first up, I think I might just put on some glue. Just run it across. Bit up here. And some down here. I rather like that pink there. It looks like the pink seaweed I see at our local beach here. Right. And some pale blue, I think. Might bring that in here. Here. Now, what will I put in here? Okay, so I can do a little bit of my browns. Some yellow. Gotta have a little bit of sand. Now we might have a bit of orange as well. Just a tad. Fingers are good. Sometimes I think fingers were put here just to do this. Okay, now white. See how that goes. Right here. Right, now I'm just going to torch that and then I'll bring you down to have a look. Might just define around here with some of this, I think. That's not so bad. Right, here we go. Okay, not a lot of cell action, but then I didn't expect it. I didn't put any silicone in the paint. But there was a bit of Floetrol, so there was a little bit of cell action. I'll just bring it down here to show you what I was looking at. It's raining. See some of my orchids and my desert roses. They're getting a lovely drink of rain. See if I can close in. How do I do that? Let me see. Oh, you're here. And get it close up. Oh. Do you want to do it? No. I've got rather a lot of Hoya. There you can see them. Alright, I'll get back to what I was doing. Here, this is what I was looking at, and as you can see, it's rather nice. Little beach scene, but seascape, and it's really rather nice. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click the little bell and you'll be notified when I do more videos. Please give this one a thumbs up and share if you'd like. That'd be good too, and very helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.